Let's start with the easy level. Guess the celestial body. A comet. Europa is a moon. What protects astronauts when they work outside a spacecraft? A spacesuit. The moon produces its own light. False. Ceres is a dwarf planet. True. Guess the planet. Venus. Humans have landed on Venus. False. Who was the first woman in space? Valentina Tereshkova. A comet is mainly made of ice and dust. What force pulls gas and dust together to form stars? Gravity. Which planet has the shortest year? Mercury. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? A barred spiral galaxy. Guess the object. A space probe. What do we call a scientist who studies stars, planets, and galaxies? An astronomer. Guess the planet. Jupiter. Mars is a terrestrial planet. Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? Neptune. How many moons does Mars have? Two. Guess the logo. ESA. What was the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth? Sputnik 1. Next up, the medium level. Let's turn it up a notch. Which planet has the Great Red Spot? Jupiter. Guess the star. Betelgeuse. Which color usually indicates the coolest stars? Red. The moon rotates on its own axis. True. What is this phenomenon called? An aurora borealis. Guess the planet. Neptune. Guess the celestial body. A nebula. Which planet appears brightest in Earth's night sky? Venus. Guess the celestial object. A galaxy. Which layer of the Sun is visible as its surface? The photosphere. Which planet takes the longest to rotate once on its axis? Venus. About how long does sunlight take to reach Earth? About 8 minutes. Water ice exists on Mars. True. Which planet has a giant hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole? Saturn. Guess the planet. Uranus. Guess the object. A lunar rover. Guess the planet. Mercury. What causes most ocean tides on Earth? The moon's gravity. Who formulated the 3 laws of planetary motion? Johannes Kepler. What is the approximate diameter of Earth? (7,900 miles). What is the boundary around a black hole called? The event horizon. Guess the object. The International Space Station. On which planet is Olympus Mons located? Mars. A light year is a unit of distance. True. Which planet has the highest average surface temperature? Venus. Guess the moon. Titan. What happens during a solar eclipse? Moon between Earth and Sun. What is the largest moon in our solar system? Ganymede. What is a supernova? The explosion of a star. The same side of the moon always faces the Earth. True. Here comes the hard level. Now we're getting serious. Which planet rotates almost on its side? Uranus. Guess the celestial body. Phobos. What is the region of icy objects beyond Neptune called? The Kuiper Belt. Which is the closest star to Earth after the Sun? Proxima Centauri. Guess the object. A space shuttle. Astronauts in orbit feel weightless because there is no gravity. False. What do we call a space rock that survives the atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface? A meteorite. Which planet has the shortest day? Jupiter. What is the outer atmosphere of the Sun called? The corona. About how long does the Earth take to orbit the Sun once? 365.25 days. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily challenges.